Hi. Hi. Let me stop. But hey, y'all. I am back with another video. I just want to give y'all just a little bit more information about myself. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to be showing y'all my hair because I retwisted my hair yesterday. And I'm excited because I used flaxseed gel. But get this, I made it. Yeah. Sorry, y'all. This is my baby. He wants me to blow bubbles. I got you, baby. But guess why I'm doing this? Okay, he want to do it himself. Yes, independent baby. Go ahead then. But my name is Ka-Desia. I am 26 years old. I am from a small town called Lancaster, South Carolina. But I grew up in Columbia/Irmo, South Carolina. I have a marketing degree. What else? I'm not very exciting. My life isn't exciting. Oh, where my hair at? But here we go, y'all. But yeah, I have one child. He's right next to me. My baby boy. His name is Caden. He just turned 2. September the 2nd. He had a Coco Melon theme party. This boy loved him some Coco Melon. Any moms out there, this kid is like obsessed with Coco Melon. I don't know what it is. Oh no, what is that in my hair? Okay. But really, this is also like a first impression video as well because I've actually never used flax gel on my hair, even when I was a loose natural. But, oh, sorry, y'all. I have on not a tank top. I should have on a tank top. I just have on a sports bra. But, I'm going to see how well I can get in here so y'all can see as much detail as possible. But, yeah, a little bit more about my hair journey. Can y'all see that? I hope so. A little bit more about my hair journey. I have been natural since my last relaxer was my last year of high school. 2013, I believe, was my last relaxer. And then in 2014, I had transitioned for a full year, and I cut off the perm ends, and my hair was like, hold on, like this. Yes, baby. What's wrong? Come here. Want me to help you? But, so I've been natural for a total of, total of 2014, 8 years now. And, oh, there we go. You wouldn't believe this, but you probably could believe it. But because people start their locks and then end it and then start again and then try again and so on and so forth. But this is like my 10th set of locks. My longest set of locks I had was my last set. Was my last set, which was 9 months. And I have like my first video on this channel. It was like my 5-month update of that set of locks. They were super thick. They were really cute, but I was very limited with my styling and I wasn't feeling that. So after that set of locks, I combed them out, which took about 2 days. I took a lot of breaks, but it still took a very long time. I only had 55, so thankfully I had a low amount of locks, because if I had like 100 plus, if they were this set, because this set, I want to say, I haven't counted them. If I did, I don't remember. This set I have about 90-ish, I think, 80 to 90. But after I combed that last set out, I cut my hair and I got a tapered cut, and I was in love. Oh my God. It was so new. I had never had a style like that before. I felt so grown. But, yeah, and then I let it grow out. Okay, Snake. I let it grow out. And I was like, dang, I need something different. I just miss my locks. So I went ahead. This is a whole new type of journey, because not only have I started locks again, it's with a tapered cut. So for those of you who don't know what a tapered cut is, it's shorter around the sides and the back, and then the front and the top is longer. So yes, I've only seen like, Kaden, you gotta be quiet. I've only seen like maybe 2 other YouTubers who started their locks on a taper cut, and from what I've seen, it worked out very well. You would think that the hair would be such a odd length all around, but it's not. No, no. Okay, go over there. Go sit down. Go sit down. Sorry, y'all. He is so demanding right now. Here. Now go sit down. But yeah, so I'm going strong with this set. I will be real with y'all. I have been. No, this boy. That's a no. He just dumped out this whole thing of freaking. Go sit down. Move. He poured it out in my makeup bag. Oh my god. Y'all. This boy here. Kaden, why did you do that? That's a no. I give you no more bubbles. Jesus Christ. But I'm going to continue talking because I need to get this video out because I feel like I have been slacking. Not feel like, I have been slacking. Oh, Jesus Christ. Lord have mercy on my soul. What was I saying? I'm so sorry. Oh yeah, my hair. I did have some hiccups. Like, I wanted to comb my hair out so many different times, but I'm like, girl, once you comb it out, you're gonna be mad at yourself. You're gonna wish that you had your locks again. So I stuck with it, and I'm so glad that I did stick with it because my hair has came a long way. If y'all seen my first tapered cut lock update, you will be able to tell because my sides were like super short, but if you look at them now, they go past my ear. Like, that is so crazy to me. And it's only been 8 months, so when I hit a year, I'm just ready to style my hair more. But yes, okay, so enough of that. Now, the review on my Flaxseed gel Retwist. I'll insert some more clips of the actual gel in here somewhere. Okay, so excuse me, y'all. I just ran up some stairs, but this is what the Flaxseed gel looks like. I had it in the refrigerator so it cooled down because it was really hot, so it wasn't as thick as I wanted it to be. So I think that's a good consistency of it, but I'll try it out and I'll let y'all know, or I'll show y'all. Please don't mind that. That's just some flax seeds. Hey, it was my first time. I think it'll be okay. I'll do better next time. But yeah, I'll update y'all in a second or a couple minutes. Like when I first made it, I actually have it sitting over here. Gosh. Only thing is with the flaxseed gel, when I did my research, they were saying something about if you don't have a preservative in it, you have to refrigerate it, and I guess that could be a little a con to it. But once I get a preservative, then I would definitely, please don't mind. I got a little bit of the seeds in here. It was my first time. Don't yell at me. Don't cuss me out. I'm sorry. I just went around that. I used, it was about up here when I made it. And I guess that's a good amount to still have left over, because I only use it to retwist. So, and I only retwist like 6 to 8 weeks. I try to go 8 weeks, but ooh Lord, this this head of mine be looking rough. But yes, the hold is not like it's hold for real. Like, it's really holding my hair. I normally would just retwist with black castor oil because, for one, it's very moisturizing to my hair, and also it's such a thick oil, it holds like a light gel without having a crunch. So I would definitely be using this again though if I want a more cleaner look sometimes. It didn't take long to make, but sometimes I know I'm gonna be lazy and I'm not gonna want to make this gel. All you do is get some of the seeds and then just boil it in the water, strain it, bam. But You know how you get lazy sometimes. But yeah, I'm just doing a little 360 or 185-degree turn. See? But yes, y'all, I'm very excited. And the hold, like I said, it's strong. How strong we'll see, because like I say, I just did this yesterday. So as the week goes by, as the weeks plural hopefully go by, my hair will still look, I don't need it to look super fresh, but at least be able to see my scalp. And yes, so y'all, that's it. I think that's it for this video. I just wanted to get something else out there other than just, here's my hair, bye. Here's a retwist, bye. But yes, I'm excited. Please stick with me on this journey, because it gets hard sometimes. The patience is whole, is real. You really test yourself with locks, especially if you're like me. I love to style my hair. I'm actually going to be going to cosmetology school, hopefully in January next year. So I guess that will kind of scratch in me, that itch, scratch. I meant to say scratch that itch that I have to style my hair as much as I want to style it. But also, locks are versatile. You can still style them, obviously, just not every style. But yes, thank y'all again. Please like, comment, and share this with anybody else who you may think would need, I guess, that push. Like maybe they have a tapered cut, or they have really short hair and they want to start locks and just don't have the confidence, because I know I felt weird. It's definitely worth it, y'all. But peace.